Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you my thank you chocolate gift. However, I am using the absolutely beautiful Abstract Beauty Sweet, or some of it. We have new size DSP, which I just think is fabulous. They're 4x6, so slightly smaller one way, but again, beautiful. You know I'm a sucker for gold, so the fact that these have gold accents in them just fill me with joy. I just love shiny and bright and fun. Equally, the B-sides, as I call them, are fun. They're a mixture of colours, patterns, and just there's just something for everybody, I think, in this. I did struggle once or twice with, I thought, oh, I'll make my project with that, and then realised that the DSP was smaller. But you know what, that's fine. I love it anyway. But I did go with B-sides again for this. So this is a teeny tiny little box type bag maybe, and you know me, it holds 2 of these lovely chocolates that I am not eating at the moment. I'm being really good. Not so much a new year, new me, but I am trying to be a little healthier. And I'm quite proud of myself. I'm doing quite well. I've lost a few pounds, which is always good. I'm trying to walk my dogs a little more than I normally would, or for a little bit longer. They're only small dogs, as you know, so I can't sort of take them out for hours on end because their little legs just can't cope. But it's enough, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm feeling good, which is also a bonus. So yeah, no chocolate, which is why these are just so tempting. I just keep smelling them. Yeah, they smell good, but I'm not eating them, I'm being good. Okay, let's get making this project. So, cardstock to start with then, 4x7, which is 18 by 10.5. On the short side, we're going to score at 7/8 of an inch, which is 2 centimetres. We're then going to rotate anti-clockwise, so that little strip now is at the bottom, and we're going to score at 2 3/8, 3 1/4, 5 5/8, and 6 1/2, and in centimetres that will be 6, 8, 14 and 16 centimetres. Okay, so let's fold and burnish. You could potentially fit a jumbo tea light in here as well if you wanted. I don't have any. I don't really use tea lights anymore. So yeah, but yeah, so cut the bottom sections up here and a little trim of that section there. Simple. So far so good. A little bit of adhesive down here, and I do swap and change between Tombow and Seal. It all depends on the project I'm making, I think. So we'll just fold that over. And then while this is flat, I'm going to fold it back over, so this is the front, and I'm just going to add my 2 panels here. So 2 1/8 by 2 1/8, 5 1/2 by 5 1/2, 2 by 2, 5 by 5. Simple as that. I may as well, yes, I know I'm hiding the gold, and I'm sorry. I may as well use some wet glue while I'm here. So pop that onto there, and equally this then can go on here. Oh, which way? Vertical, horizontal, oh, which way? I'm going to go this way, I think. And then just pop that on towards the bottom more than the top, and at least I can give that a good press now while that's there. Okay, super. Make the bottom up, so pop those 2 side bits in. Let's get this glue out again. Got a little bit on there, fold that back section in there, and then add my adhesive across there. Now, if you recall, I think it was last week when I was saying about weighting something down instead of sitting and holding it, you can add a block inside this just to add some weight. 2 if you feel the need, and it will just add the weight onto the bottom or the base just to make that glue stick. Okay, I'm going to pop this to one side for a moment because I want to make my little decoration here. So I've actually used Magenta Madness, and you're going to think I have some madness because I actually then realised when I was doing it that I didn't have Magenta Madness ribbon. And I thought, crumbs, but actually polished pink, maybe I've used polished pink card. I can't remember now. Oh dear. But anyway, it works. Magenta Madness, polished pink. You know, it's clearly going to be polished pink, isn't it, I think? Because otherwise, yeah. Anyway, that's what I did. I got a little bit confused with my pinks, but never mind. So, Hello Beautiful. I haven't had a chance to really play with these yet, but I think we could get some great images from that. The beautiful coordinating dies, beautiful layers, beautiful shapes, sorry, dies, as you can see. So I used these 2 for this project, but we also have circles, these lovely ovals, these fabulous, oh my, I just can't wait to play some more and maybe make like some form of like tiles or something with this, some DSP. Yes, I don't know, but I'm desperate to play with no time. So mini boss again, my friend, and so I'm going to pop, in fact I'm not going to use all of this card, so let's trim this down because I don't need all of this to go through. And that also means that I can get my basic white on, save my energy and run them through together. This little boss is an absolute lifesaver. I can't even tell you how often I've used it and how many plates I've got through. I think I've purchased 2 sets already and I've thrown 2 plates away, so I mean, this is sort of getting quite loved now. I think this is getting close to maybe being replaced, but I will replace it with this one and use another one on the top. But it does bow. It's got quite a bulge in it. So, but yes, I do love my little mini boss so much. Right, let's move those out of the way. So these are my lovely 2 pieces. So what ink do I use? Polished pink, Magenta Madness. I'm going to use polished pink, you know. I'm just going to be a rebel. Again, the little thank you. I think these would make perfect thank you gifts. They're relatively flat. Yeah, 7/8, just under an inch in thickness. And then I'm just stamping that bit on there. I think my stamp and scrub has dried out. Dimensionals. So just one in the centre on there, and then that on there. Now I'm thinking that still doesn't, that looks wrong. Oh my goodness. Pay more attention when you're picking your card up, Sally, then you'll know. Again, adhesive backed hexagons obviously coordinate with this suite too. Now I could have used the green and the pink, but I actually wanted again to be a little bit contraire and go with, yeah, I think I did use Magenta Madness cardstock because that is a different pink, but you know, we'll roll with it. And then I used the black ones because, well, I just felt that they were better, if that makes sense. I just like them. So those are my lovely little, and this all boils down to the ribbon. That was where the issue came Can you believe? I don't know why I put these away while I'm on film. I'm just such a tidy person. Right. I just gently gave these sides a little squeeze to pinch them together. Back in with my lovely Crop-A-Dile. Again, if you want to measure to find the centre, then you may. Punch 2 pieces at the same time. It does ensure that you get them lined up. I hate having the bits of card stuck when you've punched. Sorry, I am just OCD and just tidy. I do apologise. Okay, so now I've punched my holes. I have some of my gorgeous polished pink ribbon. Don't forget, which I nearly did, to put your chocolates inside. So as I say, you can just get 2 little ones in there. The ribbon I'm just going to feed through. Single piece, like so, and then paper clip or a, oops, crumbs, paper clip, did I change the lighting? Or, so yeah, paper clip, probably not actually strong enough. Maybe use a peg to hold your box together. And then I've got the Baker's Twine Essential Pack here, so just some of the white. And I also found it easier actually to use a peg to hold my ribbon together, because I'm not an octopus, I don't have unlimited hands and fingers, but it just holds everything together so you're free then to tie your bow. So pull that twine, make your bow. It's just a different way of fastening, I guess. And then once you've actually got it in place, you can remove all of these and fiddle. Fiddle with your bow and your twine. There we go. And then I just want to trim this here. And there we have it. Those are my thank you chocolate gifts. Hope you like them. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Bye.